Hello and welcome to another video from flashcardsforkindergarten.com. In this video I'm going to introduce the simple subtraction posters and flashcards. The flashcards themselves are available in blank versions as well as versions with the answer. When using the blank versions, the cards can be given out to the students, which can then be filled in to give the correct answer. These flashcards can be laminated and used with whiteboard markers and can also be used with magnets and attached to your whiteboard. When using the cards with the answers, the cards can be cut out and can be used to create matching games for children. The posters can be used similarly and can be filled in by the student or the teacher. The answers can also be checked using the correct poster. In addition to this poster is also this one, where the children can create their own math problem. Just like the last poster, it also comes with an answer version too, so the children can correct their answers. If you like to download these teaching materials as well as hundreds of other flashcards and posters, please visit flashcardsforkindergarten.com. Thank you.